Hello everyone, in this session I want to introduce you to a very interesting and practical indicator in ICT called SMT Divergence. You can use this indicator on the NinjaTrader platform. Let's move on to the chart. My chart is on the 6E symbol or euro in the time frame. It's the fifth section and there's no need to activate the tick replay in this indicator. Go to the indicators section and enter it. Go to the TradingFinder folder and add SMT Divergence, or actually Double Divergence, to my chart. It checked my license, and as you can see, it shows a series of points as divergence with the second symbol. My second symbol here by default is set to the pound symbol, but you can change it from this menu to any other symbol you want. For example, other symbols like JPY or for gold or any other symbol you have in mind, you can set it up. But let's move on to the rest of the settings. Here you can turn these yellow dots on or off. If for any reason you don't want to have these, you can remove them like this. And this one is related to these lines. If you turn it off, you won't have these blue lines anymore either. But here we can set the symbol again, and in this section we can adjust the color scheme of our chart or indicator. We can fix it. The next item is related to the double divergence filter. If I activate this, only the divergences that are double or are connected to each other, like this one or this one, will be shown to me at the bottom, and the single ones like these will be removed. But if we want, in addition to being a double divergence, for there to also be a pivot on the second symbol, we can turn on this filter. Let me explain this point to you. Here, this candle is a pivot for us, and the next candle is also a pivot, and they are connected to each other. But this doesn't necessarily mean that on our second symbol, which is the point, this spot and this candle is also a pivot. If we want to check for this, it's enough to click on this option and filter it. This will remove the cases that are like this from our chart. It does this, and both must be pivots at the same time for it to display these points names for us. We should be able to turn off these filters if we don't need them so that it shows us all the cases. Also in this section, we can change our pivot window. That is to say, we can effectively make the window it utilizes to look for potential pivots significantly larger. For example, I have set this particular parameter to 3, and you can clearly observe that it has successfully removed some of the comparatively smaller pivots that previously exhibited weaker candle formations, and it filtered for us the cases where the pivots were larger. Another technique we can use with this indicator is to use it simultaneously on two symbols. For example, I want to add the pound symbol at the same time, which I can easily do from this specific section right here. I will add it with the exact same settings as before, and its comprehensive chart will then automatically open for me down here, displaying all the relevant data and information. Here we've added the pound symbol. Now we need to go and add our indicator for this symbol as well, which we can do from this section by setting its symbol to pound so it appears on this chart, and set the second symbol for euro. I add it from this section and click OK. Alright, the license was checked for both and their related items were executed. You can see that the way of identifying these is with the same value, meaning you necessarily have this identification method with the same value. The area that forms simply in euro does not show up as a signal in pound for you. This is due to the difference in the algorithm, where in this symbol, the base is on euro and it is set according to euro. And since this area that you see in euro is a pivot, this candle in the pound symbol is not a pivot. Therefore, it doesn't draw this and doesn't identify it as a zone. Can these bands be different? So you can add both at the same time and check them together on the chart. I hope this tutorial has been useful for you. Wishing you safety and profitable trades.